Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. I'm gonna just do a little cleaning technique here on camera. So I got Underwood. This is Model S, but this piece up here seems to get a lot of dirt. You can see it right here, and so I'm gonna just remove this trim here. Find the screwdriver that fits here, and that's going to be the first step, is to take this trim plate off and clean that separately if necessary. This is a later version, so it's got a kind of a metal piece here instead of that insert style. So this is just a metal piece. It's got limitations on how much it will clean up, but what I want to look at is this difference here. So behind that plate is the way it should look, and then that's the way it does look. And up here's a little cleaner, but it really gets dirty between these two. There's a little ridge here. So you can do this on the machine, but I'm going to remove this from the typewriter just so I can really get aggressive with this. Okay, that screw is tight. Bigger screwdriver. Last thing you want to do is mark. Oh, wow. That does not want to come loose. Oh, there it goes. Man, that screw is tight. And it's still tight, even coming out. I don't know what the deal is with that. It's got a little piece on the bottom here, this little guy. I'll have to see why that's so tight. Let's try this side. It's pretty tight. Pretty good snap, which I think means it's never been removed. Okay, so let's take this trim piece off. Squeeze this out of here like this. And let's set it on the bench here. So all I'm going to do with this is wash it with Simple Green and scrub it with a stiff brush and rinse a little bit like that. Got a little bit of dirt there. Repeat that once or twice here. And there's quite a bit of dirt over there. Get a rag here. I should have had a rag ready. I'm just going to wipe this off initially and do it again. So that's probably the third time here. Make sure the brush is semi-clean. I'm just going to rinse it one more time like that. It's really starting to come off there now. Okay, so now clean rag. Wipe that off completely. Might as well clean the inside rail here. And look at that. You can barely see the difference between the part that was under there and the part that's exposed. So final treatment to this, of course, is WD-40, and just brush it in all the way. wipe off. That is nice, shiny black again. You can see a little bit right there, but not much. Do that to every body panel on here, and you got a nice, shiny Underwood again. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.